If you have been searching for aftermarket lights for your Bronco, you're probably coming up short. And the reason is there's not a whole lot until today that is worth putting on your Ford Bronco. This right here is the Morimoto XRGB. This is an all-new LED replacement housing for the Ford Bronco. Let's tell you a little bit about it. Morimoto is paving the way for replacement housing on these Broncos. These are the first ones to go live on the market that's even worth upgrading to. That means no complicated additional wiring needed to make these headlights work. No running a DRL, these just fit, plug and play. Now obviously, this is a full color changing RGB daytime running light. It's controlled with a Bluetooth app. It's fully functional and it's extremely bright. This is the first of its kind in the Morimoto lineup, dubbed the XRGB. Now, if you want to talk about light output, I decided to put this up against your original OEM LED lights and use the digital lux meter to read the maximum lux at a certain point. I backed the Bronco up about 25 feet from the wall, and at low beam, your original lights came in at 680 maximum lux. That's pretty bright, but it's a reflector housing, and the light is essentially all over the place. You're not going to get a cutoff line with the reflector housing. That's why upgrading to an LED housing that uses projectors is a good idea. You can get the light exactly where you want it, but you're not going to blind oncoming drivers. The low beam on the XRGB comes in at 1,710 maximum lux. I am extremely impressed with this light output. Not only because it's got that bright white color, it's got incredible crispy cutoff lines, but it's wider than your original stock headlights. Now on high beam, your original LED lights don't do that bad, coming in at 1,940 maximum lux. But flipping these Morimoto lights on, they come in at 3,610 maximum lux. That is 86% brighter than your original lights. Now, if you've watched our other Bronco videos, you've probably noticed that we installed a Morimoto 4-banger A-pillar kit. I also threw some Morimoto 4-bangers in the fog lights. This is what it looks like with the fog lights on, with your low beam, and with a combo style HXB 4-banger. This is what it looks like when you turn the A-pillars on. I read the lux just as a joke. I got 1,970 on low beam and 6,580 maximum lux on high beam. Obviously, that's insane. If you want the best in aftermarket lights, these are it. These lights have a single bi-LED plus a single dedicated high beam to give you that powerful light output. Now, no matter what color your Ford Bronco is, if you have headlights like these, you can match it with the color. Now, I've got this app here and I can shake it and change the color. You see a cool animation as it changes. You can also just push the button. Let's say we want red or green or blue. It's super easy to control and it works really well. There's no lag either, which is wild with a Bluetooth app. So in short, am I impressed? Yeah, I'm absolutely impressed. I'm going to be leaving these on my Bronco, so I'm going to do long-term testing, and we'll definitely hit you guys up if we see anything else that's better for the Ford Bronco. Until then, these things are pretty wicked, and you got to check them out. Also, go to headlightrevolution.com, type in your year, make, and model, and you'll see everything we've tested for your Ford Bronco.